After years of back and forth, the FBI headquarters project is back in Maryland by court order. And while Maryland officials are celebrating, the FBI is not backing down.
We're feeling great because it means we can actually get to work.
Maryland's governor celebrating a legal victory after a federal judge's ruling restored Prince George's County as the site of the new FBI headquarters. In his decision, the judge called the Trump administration's efforts to abandon Maryland and relocate the bureau to a renovated Reagan building instead unlawful.
As the President of the United States does not get to break the law simply because he does not like the fact that the state did not vote for him, or he does not like the governor of the state.
Close to the Greenbelt Metro, I-95, and the D.C. Beltway, the location was competitively selected and congressionally approved. Officials expect the project to generate more than $5 billion in economic activity.
The Pentagon changed Northern Virginia's economy forever, and we know that these placements have the ability to do that.
While elected leaders are celebrating, the FBI is not changing course, a spokesperson told WBAL-TV 11 News in an email. This is not the first time courts have tried to undermine the administration in its goal to make government more cost-effective for American taxpayers, the spokesperson writes. The court has chosen to impermissibly intervene for political reasons. Maryland's senior U.S. Senator, Democrat Chris Van Hollen, optimistic the judge's decision will stand despite potential appeals.
This administration has a pattern of ignoring the law, trampling over the law. So it's always good to have a federal judge stand up for the rule of law. And we are going to back him up through congressional action.
The FBI's message is essentially, we're not going to back down. We're going to keep doing what we've been doing. An appeal is expected, but when we asked the FBI if an appeal is in the works, they said they could not discuss the matter further. At U.S. District Court downtown, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL-TV 11 News.